Hi, I'm Kristen with Positive Legacy. We are here with Panic and La Playa fans, and we came to Xcacel Turtle Sanctuary. So we're here today giving back in a few ways. We've got our beach cleanup with microplastics and large items as well. Super important that we get this trash off the beach right now before the turtles come back to nest. Otherwise, their nests will be, toxic with all of our human debris in those holes. So important work that we're doing there on the beach. And then we are blazing a trail which leads to a cenote, which the park is looking to open up back to the public, this time with more of a holistic approach of educating people, making sure that they're using the cenote properly. We are working on the Welcome Center behind me, turning that into a space that will be a museum to educate people about the important work that's being done at the Turtle Sanctuary. Ultimately, it's going to turn into a turtle hospital where injured turtles will have refuge to heal. This is part of an ongoing project. We've been coming to this sanctuary for 3 years now. It's been so wonderful to come back each time and see the progress that's being made. We've come a long way in developing it and making it more of an official space. That's very important because the more that the park is established, the more strong grounds that it has to remain a sanctuary, which is a very important space right now for the ecosystem and for the nesting turtles to have a home to come back to.